Okay, let's look at organizing our Google Classroom. So I'm going to put everything that went from Q1 into its own topic, but I don't want to delete those assignments in case I need to reuse them at another time. So instead of deleting all of the assignments, I'm going to delete the topics from Q1. So for me, I started at week 8 because I was on leave. So I'm going to delete that topic. And I'm going to delete that topic. Okay, all of the assignments that were within that topic are now going to go to the top. I'm going to hit create. I'm going to create a topic. I'm going to call it Q1 assignments. And then I'm going to drag all of those assignments under that topic. And then I'm going to drag this topic all the way down to the bottom because I don't want to see it at the top of my feed. And that's it.